The world today is facing a calamity like never before. COVID-19 has led to an unprecedented medical emergency. Our team at OK Play has launched a range of innovative COVID-19 fighter products. First, SprayClean, an anti-germ walkway. Second, HandyWash, a 4-way foot-operated hand wash system.
SprayClean. It finds application in conjunction with a proven and certified disinfectant sprayed in fine atomized mist form upon a plurality of articles, including humans, which go through the walkway. The system is a compact modular design and comes in an easy, ready-to-assemble kit with a detailed assembly manual. SprayClean is rotomoulded from a high-quality engineering grade of polyethylene, which can withstand all weather conditions. The engineering grade makes SprayClean durable, corrosion-free, and maintenance-free. The two independent solution storage tanks are inbuilt and interconnected, bearing a total capacity of 240 liters. Each tank comes with an independent solution level indicator. Equipped with a waterproof PIR motion sensor, the system activates upon sensing a person within a range of 2 meters and automatically stops after 10 seconds. With the help of 10 strategically located nozzles, SprayClean is able to cover majority of the article or human body which passes through it. The system is well protected by an effective 2-layer filtration system, waterproof electricals, and a miniature circuit breaker to ensure the highest level of safety.
Understanding the need to efficiently wash our hands while maintaining social distancing and conserving water, our team at OK Play has launched an innovative product, HandyWash, a 4-way foot-operated hand wash system. The HandyWash is a portable foot-operated wash basin designed to be used by up to 4 people at a time. It helps mitigate spread of germs as user can control water and soap flow using foot-controlled pedals. It is rotomoulded using an engineering grade of pre-colored, light-fast, UV-stabilized polyethylene, which makes it lightweight, rust-free, aesthetically pleasing, maintenance-free, and durable.
Our range of products find usage at a variety of places: offices and factories, hospitals, shopping malls, residential complexes, airports, railway stations, and the list goes on. So let's make India safe together.